the SXR900. It's a beautiful bike. It's a beautiful commuter type bike, but it's rife for modifying. It's really nice. I love all the aluminium bits on it. Yeah, I'll move back a little bit. Someone's taking a picture. Give me a second. Lovely color. But what I love the most is the rear end. The rear end is already done really nice. So yeah, so check out the little rear bit. Check out the little single seat, right? Single seat here. It's just a cover. Obviously, it's got the seat underneath. This is just a cover that just pops off for you to carry a pillion, obviously, and it just goes on. But they've done it really nice. So from here, from far, I'll move back a little bit. See, it just looks like an old school cafe racer type thing. It has, you will not notice that it is a single seat. It just looks like a single seat, basically, not a double. The light's really nice. Check out the light. LED, lovely. The indicators need to go though. They're way too big, yeah. And this little part here, it needs to be sort of like shortened up a little bit, but still really nice. Yeah, I love the Kenny Roberts colors. Can't knock those. Love the aluminium on here. Look at that. Look at that little machine part. That's really nice. The light's lovely. I mean, it could be a little bit smaller, but I mean, they're not going to go too crazy on it, right? That's nice. This little here is lovely. That, look at that finish on this little thing. I'm not sure what this is, but that inside is really cool. Look at that. Lovely little touch. Yeah, the front light's great. The front mud guard, check this out. Tell me, please don't be blasted. No, okay. It's totally aluminium. Looks lovely, right? And it is lovely. You can feel, it feels lovely. This obviously should be carbon fiber, but you can't expect it on a bike, on a commuter bike, right? That's left for you to customize to your needs afterwards. Change it to a carbon fiber one. But this is really nice. That is lovely. The light's lovely. Indicators need to go. Look at that. That's a terrible fit as well. That needs to be little, but you can change those very. That's what, £10 or 400 baht. Change those. The clock is lovely. Check out the clock, right? Look at that. Huh? That is awesome, right? I mean, tidy as well. Look at that. That is really tidy. I love the little aluminium bit to hold the clock on. Look at that. It's even got a little Yamaha on it, and it's not. This is not a sticker. Definitely not a sticker. That's really nice. Brushed aluminium, lovely. Like the little logo on here. I don't like that this is plastic, but again, you can change that yourself to carbon fiber. Change that to carbon. Get a rhizome. Actually, that's a nice cap anyway, right? Love the mirrors. The mirrors are already lovely. I'm not sure if these are the mirrors that come on it anyway, but they're really nice. I love that finish. This is great. This brushed aluminium here is great. Even that there, even though that's plastic, that still looks really nice. It just goes. Look, it gives the bike a lovely flow. It's so pretty. I think this is really pretty. Ooh, the exhaust. You gotta be kidding me, right? Check out the exhaust. How tidy is that? That can't be stock. If that is a stock exhaust, that's bloody awesome. They've done it. Yamaha have really done it with this bike. I don't care, but yeah, the SXR900. Get yourself one. It looks bloody awesome. Check out the frame. How cool does the frame look? But the exhaust looks really nice. This little touch here, I love that. That is a lovely little touch, right? Look at that. The seat's nice. The cover is lovely. I mean, I can't fault it. The frame is absolutely lovely. It feels great. You should touch this. It feels absolutely awesome. Yeah, all blacked out. It looks really cool. I like it. I really like it. Happily ride one around. Looks a little bit CB1100 type, but way better. Actually looks 10 times better stock than the CB1100. Yeah, so there you go. The Yamaha SXR900.